here we are. Dead Zero Shooting Range, Tennessee.
Yeah, the shot came along. I was like, oh, that's cool. You know? You can't never have 10.22s, man. I mean, one for hunting, couple for flying.
Maybe $10 cheaper.
I had an Eagle one, and then I gave it away for like Willie's thing.
Yeah, I remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we shoot till we got
I've had this 5, 6 years.
So we just set up getting ready to start shooting today.
We're shooting or we got.
There's some people that you probably know. There's Mark, Scotsman.
10.22 I got.
Chico's down there. Scott's over there. Oh no, Jamie. They're around there. This is Hotshot.
Hey!
And the legend, Mr. Gene, reloaded from the hot pot.
Right.
Does she know which way?
Right.
How many rounds per second? Dang! That's my first dot ever. Oh well.
No, I'm saying the compact shot.
You're shooting the still on the bottom.
Bring that chevron up a little.
Who's shooting this stuff? You go Greg.
This last batch we got in, like,
Proof that somebody actually went out there and did stuff.
12 stack, you know? Stack is 21 rounds.